tab and sign up for Rigs Without Sig.
This is Talk Radio 560 KSFO, San Francisco, Oakland, San Jose, a Cumulus station.
Campaigning to the wire on Jack Callahan, Fox News.
I'm optimistic, and I'm always optimistic.
President Biden at the White House Monday evening, returning from a campaign event for Democrats in Prince George's County, Maryland, where he repeated the party's closing argument.
We know in our bones that our democracy is at risk, and we know that this is your moment to defend it. Preserve or protect it, choose it.
The president also acknowledged higher prices for many things, saying we know a lot of families are still struggling. Former President Trump campaigning in Southwest Ohio Monday night for Republican Senate candidate J.D. Vance.
And if you want to stop the destruction of our country and save the American dream, then tomorrow you must vote Republican in a giant red wave that we've all been hearing about.
The president teasing he will be making a very big announcement next Tuesday. In Pennsylvania, John Fetterman's campaign has filed a federal court lawsuit against state election officials, demanding that undated or misdated absentee ballots be counted in the midterm elections. Last week, the state Supreme Court ordered those ballots not be counted, but instead segregated and preserved. Fetterman is locked in a tight race for the U.S. Senate with Dr. Mehmet Oz. In Georgia, where Senator Raphael Warnock is in a virtual dead heat with challenger Herschel Walker, more than 65,000 ballots have been challenged on the basis of voter eligibility. And a plan by Cochise County, Arizona, to count all of its ballots by hand has been shot down by a judge. Monday night's scheduled drawing for the $1.9 billion Powerball jackpot delayed because